This state trooper decided to harass a man because, well, we don't know because he won't tell us.
What'd I do?
I'll get your driver's license and I'll explain it to you.
I'm working on it. No, what'd I do first?
Get your driver's license and
No,
I'll
what did you pull me over for? Tell me that first. You have to tell me why you pull me over.
Identify you first.
No, you don't. No, what did you pull me over for first in this situation? You don't know me. I don't know you. No.
Listen to me. Get out of the
No.
truck. Get out of
There's
the truck.
my license
Get
right
out
there.
of the truck. You're being disorderly.
No.
You're a lawful command. Get out
There's
of the
my
vehicle.
license. It's not a
Get out of the
lawful
vehicle.
command. No. No.
Get out of the vehicle.
No.
Get out
There's
of the
no
vehicle.
reason for this. Do not do that. No.
Get out of the car. Get out of the truck. Get out of the truck right now.
There's no reason for this. You
Get out
did
of
this
the
to my
truck.
son.
Get out of the truck.
No. That's
Get out of the
bullshit.
truck.
There's my
Get out of the
license
truck.
right there. No. 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 Stop it.
Get out of the truck.
Stop it.
Get out of the truck.
This cop chose to harass and fine a man for pulling over on the side of the highway and taking pictures.
Well, I didn't know this was a park. I thought
Where did you think you were? Whose property did you think you were on then?
yeah, they should have signage or something here.
Well, let me ask you this.
I don't know.
We have 315,000 acres. How many signs should we put up? What would be appropriate? Whose property did you think you were on?
I have no. It could be the state. I don't know. It's not private. It doesn't say
But how
private.
do you know that?
Okay. Go ahead and write me a ticket or do whatever you need to do.
You want to have this debate, but I mean...
I'm not going to debate. So
Okay,
just go ahead
I'll
and
tell
do what you need to do.
It's a Class C misdemeanor. Max fine up to $500.
Welcome back to Here's the Deal. Stay tuned for the outcome of both of these situations. Roll the intro.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
But here's the deal.
Here's the deal. Well, here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
And here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal. Because here's the deal.
Here's the deal. You either give me your ID or you go to jail. How about that?
Catch me outside. How about that?
How about that?
How about that?
Here's the deal.
Welcome back to the Here's the Deal channel. What good does it do for society as a whole to have uniformed tyrants out there harassing and fining innocent Americans? This Texas Parks and Wildlife cop named Brian Lillybridge issues a bogus ticket for a guy who randomly stopped along the side of a highway to take pictures of the scenery. And it's a $500 ticket. The charge is for a man who doesn't have a vehicle permit to be in a park that he didn't know he was in.
How are you doing, sir? Could you come on back here, please? How are you doing today?
Good.
Hey, I'm State Park Police Officer Lillybridge. The reason I stopped, I didn't see a permit on your vehicle to be in the park.
This is a park? I'm going along a highway.
Okay, but you're not along the highway if you're out walking around on the property.
Well, I didn't know this was a park.
Where did you think you were? Whose property did you think you were on then?
The park, as far as the boundary goes, is that road over.
That seems correct.
Well, I didn't know that.
Okay. Do you have identification on you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it?
Yeah,
they should have signage or something here.
Well, let me ask you this.
I don't know.
We have 315,000 acres. How many signs should we put up? What would be appropriate?
What a smart-ass, pompous nitwit. Gee, I wonder if he's gonna abuse his power.
Maybe every mile?
Every mile?
Yeah.
Really?
They have other...
So you want to break up this... You're out here to photograph, and you know, I'm assuming you're in photography. You got a pretty expensive setup looking there. So you would have this broken up by a sign every mile, this viewscape, if I understand you correctly.
Well, you haven't seen the other parts of the border that have been absolutely mutilated. So I have.
Okay.
I've traveled the entire border.
Okay, but how do you know I haven't seen parts of that border?
Then you wouldn't say that it would be a sign would be ruining the environment.
I didn't say it'd be ruining the environment. I said to break up the viewscape quite a bit, and that's not really what we're going for in the state park.
Okay, well, okay. I didn't know. As far as the boundary goes, when I looked at on my GPS and on my maps on my Garmin, that is delineated as a state park.
Okay. No, sorry, you can't always trust what you see on Google, Garmin, all that stuff. I don't know where they always.
Then how would I know that it's this is a state park?
Well, then whose property did you think you were on?
I have no. It could be the state. I don't know. It's not private. It doesn't say
But how
private.
do you know that?
Okay. Go ahead and write me a ticket or do whatever you need to do.
You want to have this debate, but I mean,
I'm not going to debate. So
okay.
just go ahead and
I'll
do what you need to do.
I'll join you up there by your vehicle, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Jesus. Unbelievable.
An intelligent, critically thinking officer with social skills would be able to make a snap assessment that this guy was obviously not doing anything wrong and seems to have acted in ignorance. But even if he was on park property, it's obvious, as the cop pointed out, that this guy with this expensive camera is just out there taking pictures. And let's not forget, a permit is a permission slip. Since when do you need the permission of another man to enjoy nature? How low do you really have to be on the psychopathic totem pole to give this guy a hard time?
Kurt, is this your vehicle?
Yeah, I've got the new tag in the glove compartment because I didn't have a screwdriver to undo it.
That's fine. Do you have proof of insurance?
Yeah, I got that on my phone. You need the tag? I just bought it last week.
Now, now the only thing about trying to pull it up on your phone, I don't know if it's if you have it saved statically, you'll be in good shape. But if you're dependent on a signal to
No,
pull
I
it
should
up,
have it in my Apple Wallet here.
you mind if I zoom in?
Yeah.
Shoot in, is it? Anything, is there any more information with it? It says type of vehicle or anything like that? Generally there's something on there that would say kind of vehicle. Just got a couple of questions after you. I'm issuing a citation for entrance into the park without a permit. A couple of questions I have for you. What is your eye color?
Brown.
And then what is your weight? Tell me what you want.
193.
193, okay. What's the current phone number for you?
917.
Alright, here's your identification back. I guess your signature at the bottom, this is an admission of guilt, is that you agree to contact the court regarding the matter, and I'll go over the court information.
Where's the county seat?
County seat is in Marfa, but this is the Justice of the Peace Court. She's in Presidio.
Great, I'm headed there now.
So she's gonna be closed.
No, I don't.
But,
I'll come back.
okay. You can.
That or I'll just hire a lawyer.
Okay.
I mean, this is a fruitless effort here, but.
Okay. This is your copy. It's Judge Bishop. Like I
Right.
said, she's Justice of the Peace in Presidio. Main thing, phone number 432-229-3705. Call that number on or before December 19th. Discuss the issue with the court.
Okay, and they'll assign a court date?
Yes, they will. Yeah.
Great. What's the charge on it?
It's a Class C misdemeanor. Max fine up to $500. That's at the discretion of the court.
Okay, great. Yeah.
Do you have any other questions?
What do you think?
I don't know. But I would advise you though, so this park is huge. Pretty much between here and our Western Monument sign, it's all going to be state park. So you can't be in it without a permit.
I'll make sure that I get to Presidio before I stop and use the bathroom or anything.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you know, because I'm breaking the law right here, just standing here, so.
Thank you, sir. You have a good day.
Yeah, you whatever, asshole.
And that's what you call road piracy. Now, some would say, well, Brian, ignorance of the law is no defense. Ignorance of the law excuses no man from practicing it. A possible $500 fine for harming no one, for damaging nothing? Seriously? Is that really the world we want to live in? Next, we have a stop in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. The trooper will not tell this man why he's being pulled over, just that he wants his ID. The man, on the other hand, is not going to give the ID till he knows why he's being pulled over. What follows almost resembles a Twilight Zone themed Saturday Night Live skit.
Yes, sir.
Driver's license proof of insurance?
What'd I do?
I'll get your driver's license and I'll explain it to you.
I'm working on it. No, what'd I do first? Why you pull me over?
Let me get your driver's license and
No,
I'll
what do you pull me over for? Tell me that first.
Sir, let me explain something to you.
And what's your, I know the law. No, you have to tell me why you pull me over.
I don't have to tell you
Bullshit.
why I pulled you. Let's do it.
I have driver's
I have
license.
to identify you first.
No, you don't. You have my tag number right there. Are you J Troop or K Troop?
Driver's
Who
license
are you?
and proof of insurance.
No, what did you pull me over for first?
Sir, you can be difficult.
I do a what? I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm just telling you. No, I'm not. And you're also, anyway, I'm just asking, why did you pull me over first? I did one wide open throttle. I'm a diagnostic mechanic. And you also pulled my son over the same thing too, Caleb Miller. You saw me at Rose's one time with an open carry weapon. I'm just asking, and I know Jamie Atkins and all the bunch, whatever, but why did you pull me over? Why? Need to know that first. No, you have my tag number. You can run it and get my name.
Just because it's tag number doesn't mean it comes back to the driver's vehicle.
It does show the insurance though on it though.
That's correct.
No, but tell me why. You have to tell me why you pull me over. You haven't identified yourself yet. I see a uniform. I see a vehicle. Okay. Why did you pull me over? I did a wide open throttle, real quick. I'm a diagnostic mechanic. I'm working on a truck, and I'm heading toward a guy's house to help me with it in Columbia.
Let me explain something.
I am listening. No, you don't have to explain. That's a cop's plane. No.
I need to identify who I'm speaking with. I'll explain to you why.
I am Robert B. Henschling. My birthday is 6/22/62. I own this truck, and I have registration and everything. You don't have to know that. Tell me why you pull me over.
This cop has no desire to put his ego in check. All he's got to do is give the man the reason he decided to interrupt his day and his right to travel freely. But he won't do it because it's got to be his way or the highway. It should be noted that there's apparently no legal requirement for cops to tell you why they even pulled you over. But there is a legal requirement for the driver of a motor vehicle to display his license upon demand. It's another racket that proves that you have no constitutional freedoms on American highways and the cops have all the court-sanctioned power. But hang on, because in a couple minutes, Trooper Miller won't be able to keep his tyranny in check.
I know who you are, and I know you know Jamie Atkins, R37, okay? I'm not naming names, but you have to tell me, you know, who you are, identify yourself. You do. I own this truck. You can run my tag number. Brand new tag, brand new license. Tell me why. There's my proof of insurance. It has my name on it right there. I don't have to hand this to you. All I have to do is just show you. I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm asserting my right. No, I'm a nice guy. I'm a really nice guy.
Am I not being?
You are, but I don't have to. I don't have to do that. Now, tell me why you pulled me over. Tell me.
You need to step out of the vehicle.
No. In fact, I'm gonna lock my doors or I went up a little bit too. I just need to ask. I'm going to a friend's house in Columbia right now. I did one wide open throttle on my truck. I just took it 1,200 mile round trip. Jamie knows that. I sent him all the information, whatever. You know, I did one wide open throttle. I was not reckless driving. I did one wide open throttle on the truck. I let off. I saw you way back there, sitting back there. I have you on video right there.
That's fine. You're being on video on my video.
That's fine. That's really cool. I appreciate that. I really do.
You want to step out of your truck?
No, I'm not stepping out.
You want to step out of your truck, man?
No.
There's no reason to be difficult, man.
There's no reason to step out either. There's no reason
Look,
either.
I'm going to give you a couple options. Okay?
No.
You can either get out of the vehicle or give me a license.
I can give you my license, but I'm not stepping out of the vehicle.
Give me a license.
No. It's very dangerous for me to be out, stepping out, you know, in this situation. You don't know me. I don't know you. No.
Listen to me. Get out of the truck.
No.
Get out
There's
of the
my license
Get
right
out
there.
Of the truck. You're being disorderly.
No.
You're a lawful command. Get
There's
out
my
of the
license. It's not a
Get
lawful
out of the
command. No.
Get out of the vehicle.
No.
Get
There's
out of
no
the vehicle.
reason for this.
So the cop originally wanted the license. Then he wanted the guy to step out of his vehicle. Now that the man is offering his license, the cop won't take it because he doesn't like any of his commands to be disobeyed.
Quit reaching under the seat. You leave it license.
My
right
gun's
there.
over there. There's no reason for this. Here's my brand new license. Jamie just got me this license. Do not do that. No.
Get out of the car. Get out of the truck. Get out of the truck right now.
There's no reason to this. You did this to my son.
Get out of the truck.
No. There-
There's
no reason.
You're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
I didn't do anything.
Failure to obey a lawful command.
That's
Get out of the
bullshit.
truck.
There's my
Get out of the
license
truck.
right there. No. 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 Stop it.
Get out of the truck.
Stop it.
Get out of the truck. Get out of the
You can
truck.
call Jamie Atkins right now.
Get out of the truck.
I have my license on. I have my seatbelt on. I didn't do anything wrong.
Get out of the truck.
No. You call R37 right now.
Get out of the vehicle.
No.
Get out of the
No.
truck.
No. Stop it. There's no reason for this bullshit now.
I tried to tell you that. You smell like you've been drinking.
No, I'm not
Get out of the truck.
drinking. No.
Get out of the truck. I'm gonna
No.
tase you. You understand? Get out of the vehicle.
No.
Get out
Tase
of
me
the
if you
vehicle.
want to.
Get out
Tase
of the
me.
vehicle. Get out of the vehicle.
Tase me.
At this point, Stormtrooper Miller deploys his taser and Henserling absorbs the shock like a champ. After a couple more minutes of struggle, a passerby helps Miller extract Henserling from the vehicle. Henserling is taken to jail and charged with DUI, speeding, following too closely, resisting arrest, and disorderly conduct. He spent 13 days in jail and was assessed a $1,785 fee. He ended up pleading guilty to all the charges. Now, which of these men acted as a highway pirate, extracting money from the other? Which of these men could have chosen not to harass another man who wasn't harming anyone? Yeah, Henserling should have exercised his right to keep his mouth shut. But the guy, in my opinion, didn't deserve to be economically terrorized. If you guys enjoyed this video, maybe you'll like some of my others. Check out my most popular playlist and the Right to Travel playlist. There's probably a lot of videos on there you still haven't seen. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, the links are in the description. Become a channel member or grab a hard-hitting design from the store. You can put on a shirt, hoodie, mug, cell phone case, whatever you want. Remember, freedom is dangerous. The only thing more dangerous is not having it. I'll see you in the next video.